YJACK MANO wireless dual-port manometer by YJACK is a must-have for HVAC technicians. In this video, we will cover the setup and use of this new product and its capabilities in the YJACK app. The YJACK MANO manometer comes with the accessories needed for measuring duct flow differential pressures, as well as the gas pressures for setting your fuel pressures to the manufacturer's specifications. There are both high pressure and low pressure side probes to insert in the duct. First, connect the hoses to the manometer and then the matching color-coded duct probes. Now, you're ready to use your YJACK MANO. Going to your furnace, you will drill holes in your duct depending on the pressure differentials that you're measuring. The app will record readings for system pressure drop, evaporator coil pressure drop, filter pressure drop, and duct-to-duct pressure drop as pressure differential for a comprehensive system report. Insert the blue probe into the supply side of the system with the arrow pointing in the direction of the airflow, followed by the red into the return side, again with the arrow pointing into the direction of the airflow. Starting out, we will measure system pressure drop in this application. This will give you a pressure differential displayed on the screen. To record this data for your service report, simply open the YJACK VIEW app. Enter the main menu on the upper left of the screen and select the static pressure session. Select the red and blue boxes in the YJACK VIEW app and select Available YJACK MANO device. You will then hit Save. This will bring up the supply pressure, the return pressure, and the differential pressure. To record a pressure differential, select the pressure drop applicable. In this case, total external static pressure. The menu will expand and you can assign the current reading. This allows you the ability to record the multiple pressure differentials for your service record report. Once all data is collected, select the menu in the upper right and select Take Report Snapshot. This allows you to add the snapshot to your job report to show the system reading. You may take records before and after to show the changes in the system done during your visit. On the YJACK MANO device, we can also manually see the individual high and low side pressures. You are also able to toggle between the units locally on the device. Now you can see we are measuring the pressure differential strictly across the air filter to determine the filter amount of restriction in the system. This has been a demonstration of the YJACK MANO wireless dual-port manometer, part number 67068. For more details, visit YellowJacket.com for product and customer support information.